So the last node in our sequence is the MPEG encode, or rather the FF MPEG encode video. So put that here. This will also take our output file name and put it here. And we'll say output file path here. So it's going to be an MP4 video is what we want. So just keep that in mind. I am going to, well, I guess I didn't really need any of this. Put it in the data folder, put it in the videos subfolder, and then put the name of this can be, let's actually keep this at PDG name. I do like using this sometimes. It'll be the kind of the current name of the job being run. So let's do this. Let's do data/videos/that.mp4, like so. Now if we do this, there's actually a funny idiosyncrasy. The frame list here has to be on the same drive for some reason as the output file. I don't really know why that is, but just put data/frame list. It doesn't really matter. So something like that. Cool. Now if I try to run this, it probably won't work. Oh, that's the okay, actually it did work. That's funny. It worked, but not the way that we wanted to. So this is actually a teachable moment, as they say. So it made a whole bunch of these videos. Oops. So delete those. And that's because, as I just gleefully pointed out a minute ago, we have 24 different output files. We need to combine them all into one job that contains all of them. So do a thing called wait for all. I think wait for all used to be called partition all. Now it's called wait for all, but the idea is the same, where it just creates one work object that is all of our files. And now, if we run this, it will think about that for a minute. Obviously take a little bit longer than last time, because now it's 24 whole frames. And there we go. Then I can watch this. VLC on my computer for some reason does this kind of hiccup thing on the first frame. As strange as it is for me to say, I have better luck with movies, the Windows built-in movies and TV, and you just have to change it to repeat here at the end, but it doesn't hiccup at the beginning, so I don't know. Get it together, VLC. Anyway, so there you go. It works. Now, the only thing left to do is point out that if this didn't work for you immediately, you may need to change where it's looking. So if you need to, as I actually used to have to do, I'm not sure why it works for me now, honestly, but I used to have to go to custom path here. FFmpeg binary path. So wherever you installed it to, I just put it into my C drive right here because I'm a crazy person. Bin for binary, FFmpeg, there it is. So you'd copy this, put that there, and then, well, I guess just copy, put it here, and then click on ffmpeg.exe. And that should work. So if we run it again, it will run using this explicit path for it to work instead. And if I look back in videos, you'll see there's another one. Because we're using the PDG name thing, it will successfully not overwrite the old one. So in any case, if it worked for you out of the box, great. If it didn't, you'll just have to point to the exact location of that file. But either way, that's it. So that's all of them. That's the whole setup from beginning to end, to just run the sims, take the pictures, put the text on it, make the little gallery view, and then make the movie out of it. So let's actually do this at full, or all of the full frame range, and actually maybe 3 more wedges.